Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can interact with NPCs in Heartopia. So you can interact with them by talking to them, but did you know you can also give them like the same actions and they'll follow you? So I'm just going to go to Kaching here, and I'm going to take out like a solo action and break practically. I'm like saying basically and practically at the same time, okay? And practically, you're going to select the action you want. So I'll do this one. And Kaching is going to do the same action as you. It doesn't work if you do it to Blanc, I think, because, or was it Vanya? I don't remember. Because he's dating somebody or something. I don't remember. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.